Hey, so today we are going to attempt to poach eggs in the microwave. There is about a 98% chance this is going to fail. And it's going to be
It's eggs, woo!
Step one, we are boiling water on the stove, and it's probably gonna fail. Okay, so now we are in the basement again.
It's eggs, woo!
I don't know what I'm saying. That was too much, I think. That was good. Now we gotta get the vinegar that I should have already opened. Okay. Oh, am I gonna crack an egg and hold the camera at the same time? I did not think this through. On the note of the camera is literally being supported by a bag of marshmallows. That seems great. There we go. Now we have to go to the microwave. Alright, we got our microwave in the bedroom, because that's what we do here. Apparently, they're not allowed in the kitchen. We won't go there. Egg in microwave. Plate on top to make a vacuum seal type of thingy. Let's hit 45 and see what happens. And hopefully the microwave doesn't blow up, because that would really suck. That thing was expensive.
You make wine from sour grapes. You got a flat pancake. Hey, call it a crepe. When life gives you eggs, make an omelet. You get cola from a nut. A dirty worm makes silk from out of his butt. When life gives you eggs, make an omelet. Y'all ready for this?
Hear the ghosts in the moonlight, sorrow doing a new dance.
I exploded it in there. Well, that was stupid. Alright, so that did not go according to plan at all. The egg exploded like it was supposed to, but in the cup of vinegar water, so that sort of sucks. Taste test. Wow, that is nasty. I was like, if you were frying up an egg in vinegar instead of frying up an egg in oil. That's what we're getting right now, and it's great. Whoa, I can't do that. Nope, that was a waste of an egg. Okay, cool stuff. Don't try this at home, kids. What do you think? Do you think the egg will be good? Do you think the egg will be good? I don't know. Maybe you will hit it too.
What's that cooking on the griddle? Whipped up and beaten. It's eggs, woo! When it looks like you should quit, find another way of looking at it. When life gives you eggs, just a great big bowl of eggs. When life gives you eggs, you gotta make that omelet.
The dog approves. The dog liked it. Yay!
If your cholesterol's high, you'll probably die. When life gives you eggs, just a great big bowl of eggs. When life gives you eggs, you gotta make that